Not all headaches are the same. In today's video, I will explain to you the different types of headache and what you and I can do in order to manage these form of headache. This is because there are some kind of headache that they have a link with some underlying medical conditions. There are also other form of headache that they have no link with any medical condition. I will explain it in today's video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Oskojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Let us first look at the types of headache. Number one is tension headache. With tension headache is the most common form of headache. Usually you will notice like there is a band around your head, and most of the time tension headache is caused by stress, dehydration, bad posture, and sometimes straining of your eye by watching something for a very long period of time. So people who usually use their phone for a very long period of time usually experience this tension headache. Number two is migraine. Now with migraine, it usually presents as you experience the headache at one side of your head. And most of the time, it's associated with nausea and vomiting. Sometimes it's being triggered by sensitivity to light and sound. And this is what we call aura. Number three is cluster headache. Now with cluster headache, you will notice that that headache is usually around your eyes. So it can be at the left side of your eye or the right side of your eye. And that is also another type of headache. Now we need to have it in mind that there are some form of headache that when you notice, you will have to have it in mind that it's very, very serious. Number one is you experiencing headache together with fever and neck stiffness. Now, when you experience that, it has a link with a medical condition we call meningitis. And meningitis is actually inflammation of the covering of your brain. So that one, you need to seek medical care. Number two is that you experience headache right after an impact on your head. So let's say you've had a road accident, or something has hit your head before, or you just had your head hit on the ground for some time ago and you are experiencing this form of headache. It's very important that this can cause for head injury. So when you experience headache associated with a trauma, that is also an indication that something might be going on inside your head. Number three is you experiencing headache which is not responding to pain medication. Now this is very, very serious. When you experience headache and you've taken pain medications, meanwhile the headache is not going, it might be that your blood pressure has started rising. And most people with high blood pressure, when their BP starts to rise or increase, they start experiencing some form of headache. Now the mistake that majority of people usually do is that when we start experiencing headache, we will start resorting to pain medications. And most of the time they take pain medication morning, afternoon, evening, without looking at the possible cause of why you are experiencing the headache. Because have it in mind, I made mention that some of the possible causes of this tension headache, which is the most common form of headache, is stress and also dehydration and also straining, using your eye to strain for something for a very long period of time. So if you know that this form of headache you are experiencing is directly linked with stress, you would need to have enough rest and manage that stress you are experiencing. Also, if you know that you are someone who is not taking water or fluid frequently, you are dehydrated, you would have to always hydrate yourself by taking water frequently, and that will help with managing that form of headache. Probably the headache might be as a result of dehydration. Also, to those of us who usually use our phone for a very long period of time, you'll be straining watching videos using our phone for a very long period of time. It might not be a phone, but it might be a computer or a laptop. Now, if you strain for a very long period of time, you'd have to have short breaks. Other than that, that one can also predispose us to having this form of headache. So if you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video and share this video to many people. This video is a life saving, so it's very important that after watching this video, you will share it to someone, because a family member of yours might be experiencing headache, a friend of yours might also be experiencing headache at some point in time. Even our children, our relatives and people around us might be experiencing some different form of headache which they don't know the possible cause. So find time to share this video to any person. It will go a long way to help them.